Hello, our dearest viewers. You're welcome to today's class on Zloft Marketing. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, what we do is we simplify marketing for absolute beginners, for complete novices, and people who are trying to learn digital marketing or marketing skills. And then for marketing professionals who are trying to fresh their knowledge, and business owners, entrepreneurs who are trying to maximize their profit and drive business growth. Do well to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any amazing content, knowledge, insights, general overall goodies we have in store for you at Zloft School of Marketing. So today, the topic of our class today is lead generation mastery, how to attract quality leads. You've heard a lot about lead generation, especially if you followed us very beginning of this journey. So today, we are diving right into lead generation mastery so that you understand how to generate maximal leads, even if you're on a very slim or lean budget. Getting leads is the lifeblood of any business. Now, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. So today, I'll show you how to attract high quality leads that are more likely to convert into customers. First of all, what is lead generation? And lead generation is the process of attracting potential customers to your business and capturing their interest. Lead generation is simply the process of attracting potential customers. Emphasis on potential customers. So these are people who can eventually go on to patronize you, to pay for your product, to pay for your services, and enjoy value for their money. And then you need to capture their interest. Now, generating leads is not just about casting a wide net into a very wider ocean and expecting certain amounts of fishes to come in, then eventually hoping to get one or two to sign up. No, that is a very wrong approach. It is about targeting the right people who are more likely to engage with your product or service. Lead generation typically involves tactics like content marketing, paid ads, email marketing, and lots more. Now, in order to generate leads, what are you willing to exchange? What are you willing to offer in exchange for leads? Now, this is what we call a lead magnet. So a lead magnet is the value you offer in exchange for information. I'll take it again. A lead magnet is the value you offer in exchange for information. To generate leads, you need to offer something valuable in exchange for contact information. These are called lead magnets, and they can be anything from ebooks to white papers to free trials to discount codes. You can actually be very creative with your lead magnet, but always use your lead magnet and use very high quality and desirable leads. Always put yourself in the shoes of your prospective customers or your target audience. Will you be willing to pay for this thing you're giving out? If you're willing to pay for it and you offer it for free, your audience are going to thank you for it. They're going to consider it valuable, and they would willingly come into your net and allow you catch them like fishes, rather than casting a wide net and expecting all sorts of fishes to come in. So the best lead magnets are created when you understand your audience, when you know their pain points. For example, if you sell baby products, you could actually create an ebook on how to nurture your newborn, how to ensure your newborn doesn't come down with any contagious disease. So many things that would help in a new parent to actually get value, get free information that they would have paid for, or that would have cost them so much in the long haul. That kind of customer now trusts you, likes you, and will be more open and willing to buy from you because they believe that you have their best interest at heart. Now, to generate leads, you need to offer something valuable in exchange for contact information. People have bastardized this, and to nurture your relationship is to offer something valuable. These are called lead magnets, and they can be anything from ebooks to white papers to trials or discount codes. The key is to understand your audience pain points and offer a solution that addresses these needs. For example, if you're targeting small business owners, you might offer a free guide on how to increase online sales. Now, another thing you need to do to get very quality is to optimize your landing pages. So your landing page is where potential leads will decide whether to engage with your offer. So it is so crucial to optimize it for conversion. So I'll give you some tips for a high converting landing page. First of all, we need a clear, compelling headline. We need a short, persuasive benefit. So your copy has to be short and it has to be persuasive, and it also has to outline the benefits of whatever it is you're going to get from signing up to your landing page. And also, it needs to contain an easy to fill form with minimal required fields. Easier the better, the shorter the better, the more straightforward the better. And then a strong call to action and makes it clear what the vision should do next. And lead generation is an ongoing process, so it's not a one-off event. Lead generation is an ongoing process, so it's not a one-off event. But by offering valuable content and optimizing your landing pages, you can start attracting higher quality. In our next video or our next class, we'll be discussing and teaching you how to nurture this through email marketing and how to turn them into loyal customers. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And then also be patient with yourself. Don't feel like you have to learn everything in one day. And finally, practice what you learn. Practice often. That is how you learn. You learn by actually practicing. If you enjoyed today's class, if you learned something in today's class, this is a good time to remind you to hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the valuable content and lessons we have for you in subsequent videos. Also, do well to share this video with family, friends, and loved ones who might either be running businesses, planning to run businesses, or trying to start or grow a career in marketing. Finally, make generous use of the comment section. Let us know what lead generation tactics you have learned, what lead generation tactics you will be using, and let us know the outcome in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section as well. We look forward to seeing you in our next class, and hopefully a better version of you that has implemented what you learned and has grown to become a more confident and successful marketing professional. Do take care of you.